The Horten H XVIII, also referred to as the Horten H XVIII, was a strategic bomber concept envisioned by the German aircraft designer Reimar Horten in the midst of World War II. This aircraft, often called the America Bomber, was designed with the purpose of reaching targets in the United States, particularly New York City, from bases in Europe. Let's unravel some of the hidden secrets of the mysterious Horten H XVIII. The idea behind the Horten H XVIII originated from a German effort to create bombers with the ability to hit targets in the United States. The concept was inspired by the intensifying air attacks carried out by the Allied and Axis forces during World War II. The Horten H XVIII was developed as part of Germany's strategic bombing efforts during World War II. As the conflict unfolded, both the Allies and Axis powers were determined to create advanced aircraft with the ability to launch devastating attacks deep within enemy lines. In Germany, the decision to take action was driven by the desire to respond to the Allied bombing raids targeting German cities and industrial sites. The Horten brothers, Reimar and Walter, were renowned for their groundbreaking designs, especially their contributions to flying wing aircraft. The Horten H XVIII was conceived as a substantial tailless flying wing bomber, bearing a resemblance to the previous Ho 229 fighter prototype. It was designed to be powered by multiple jet engines, possibly the BMW 003 or Junkers Umo 004 turbojets. There were other proposed America bomber concepts put forward by the German military during the war, in addition to the Horten H XVIII. Several other aircraft manufacturers and designers presented their proposals for long-range strategic bombers with the capability to reach the United States. Companies like Messerschmitt, Junkers, and Focke-Wulf contributed to these designs. Unfortunately, all of these projects failed to move beyond the prototype stage. The Horten H XVIII exemplifies the strategic goals and technological aspirations of Nazi Germany in World War II. It showcases the regime's determination to challenge Allied air dominance and extend its influence over long distances. Although the Horten H XVIII never saw action, it stands out as a remarkable illustration of the groundbreaking aircraft concepts that arose during the war, especially in the field of long-distance flight. The development of a transatlantic bomber posed considerable technical obstacles, especially in terms of its range, fuel capacity, and structural integrity. The engineering solutions implemented for aircraft of this size were crucial in achieving the desired performance, while prioritizing the safety and reliability of the airframe and propulsion systems. The Horten H XVIII was designed with the primary goal of being a long-range bomber that could effectively target and strike deep within the United States. The design of this aircraft prioritized range and payload capacity, with the goal of delivering large bomb loads across intercontinental distances. Although information about the Horten H XVIII is scarce due to its conceptual nature, the envisioned dimensions included a wingspan of about 52 meters, around 170 feet, and a length of approximately 25 meters, about 82 feet. It is highly probable that it accommodated a crew of multiple members and had a significant bomb bay to carry its payload. The range of the aircraft was of utmost importance, as it had to be able to traverse the immense distances separating Europe and the United States. According to estimates, the Horten H XVIII was capable of flying over several thousand kilometers, making it suitable for transatlantic missions. The payload capacity of this vehicle was impressive, enabling it to transport a substantial amount of ordnance. This could include various types of conventional bombs or even cutting-edge experimental weapons like guided missiles. Despite its ambitious plans and designs, the Horten H XVIII unfortunately never advanced beyond the conceptual stage. At the time the project was suggested, Germany was already grappling with significant obstacles in the war effort. These challenges included scarcity of resources, relentless bombing raids by the Allies, and enemy forces making progress on various fronts. The combination of these factors, along with the challenges involved in creating a long-range strategic bomber from the ground up, led to the eventual decision to abandon the project. The Allied bombing campaign against Germany presented significant challenges for the development of long-range German bombers, such as the Horten H XVIII. The advances in Allied aircraft technology and tactics made it difficult for the Germans to create effective long-range bombers. The German aviation industry faced significant challenges due to the Allied air superiority and the destruction of their production facilities and infrastructure. These factors greatly hindered their ability to develop and manufacture advanced aircraft designs. Although the Horten H XVIII never entered service, its design and concept left a lasting influence on aviation after World War II. Following World War II, Horten's exploration of flying wing designs had a significant impact on the development of subsequent aircraft, including experimental prototypes like the Northrop YB-49 and the Northrop B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. The principles of flying wing aerodynamics and long-range strategic bombing remain significant in contemporary military aviation. The idea of the America bomber marked a significant change in Nazi Germany's approach to warfare. As the war took a turn against Germany, especially with the United States joining the conflict, German military strategists looked for ways to attack Allied territory, aiming to disrupt war production, weaken morale, and possibly push for a negotiated peace. The Horten H XVIII showcased a range of groundbreaking design elements, which were characteristic of the Horten brothers' unique approach to aircraft engineering. The flying wing configuration has numerous benefits, including reduced drag, increased lift efficiency, and potentially improved stealth characteristics when compared to traditional aircraft with separate fuselage and wing structures. Improved performance and fuel efficiency were achieved by reducing aerodynamic drag through the absence of a traditional tail section. The Horten H XVIII was designed with a revolutionary approach to propulsion, opting for jet engines instead of traditional piston engine systems. Jet engines provided substantial benefits in terms of speed, altitude performance, and operational range, making them ideal for long-range strategic bombing missions. Germany's aircraft engineering during the latter stages of World War II showcased its impressive technological sophistication, particularly in the use of jet propulsion. Although the Horten H XVIII had the potential to reach targets in the United States, the practical difficulties of carrying out transatlantic bombing missions were quite daunting. These challenges involved navigating across expansive stretches of open ocean, dealing with unfavorable weather conditions, having limited refueling options, and requiring advanced navigational aids and communication systems to ensure precise targeting and mission accomplishment. The Horten H XVIII was developed in response to changing strategic bombing strategies in the German Air Force, known as the Luftwaffe. At first, the German air strategists were mainly concerned with tactical and operational goals, like assisting ground offensives and targeting enemy infrastructure. However, as the war went on, they opted to adopt the idea of strategic bombing. The America Bomber project showcased a transition towards long-range, high-impact aerial warfare. The Horten H XVIII America Bomber stands as a testament to the technological advancements and strategic goals of Nazi Germany in World War II. It showcases the extreme measures taken by the Axis powers to achieve military supremacy, despite the immense logistical and technical obstacles they faced. The lack of success of projects, such as the Horten H XVIII, highlights the ultimate downfall of the Axis powers and the victory of Allied air power in determining the outcome of the war. Even though the Horten H XVIII project was canceled, the Horten brothers' impact on aviation design continued long after World War II. Their contributions to flying wing concepts and aerodynamic principles have had a long-lasting impact on aircraft designers and engineers, leading to significant advancements in both military and civilian aviation. Today, the influence of the Horten brothers can be seen in a multitude of flying wing aircraft designs and experimental projects across the globe. The historical significance of the America Bomber project, including the Horten H XVIII, remains a topic of discussion among scholars and aviation enthusiasts. Opinions on this matter vary greatly. Some perceive it as a bold and innovative approach to expand the possibilities of aerial warfare, while others view it as a last-ditch and impractical effort stemming from Germany's declining military situation towards the end of World War II. Gaining insights into the intricate dynamics of wartime innovation and strategic planning can be achieved by understanding the motivations, challenges, and outcomes of projects like the Horten H XVIII.